Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15S only works when plugged in, it likely means that the battery has failed. This issue can arise due to age, wear and tear, or even a defect in the battery itself. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself unable to use your laptop without being tethered to a power source, which can be incredibly inconvenient and limit your mobility. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with your HP 15S. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. After opening the back, locate the battery. It will typically be a large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If you notice any, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now, disconnect the battery carefully. You may need to unscrew it from its connectors. Remember to note where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them to the new battery. Remove the old battery and replace it with the new one, ensuring it's securely in place. Reconnect any cables, making sure they fit snugly without forcing them. Now, before sealing everything up, double-check that there are no loose components or cables near the edges. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. If everything has gone smoothly, your HP 15S should now hold a charge and function without being plugged in. To prevent this issue from recurring, try not to leave your laptop plugged in all the time, as this can wear down the battery faster. Also, keep your device away from extreme temperatures and ensure you occasionally calibrate the battery by allowing it to drain and then fully recharge. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.